Hi, I'm attorney Richard LaGarde. I've spent the last 30 years representing individuals injured in car wrecks in both Texas and Louisiana. And I want to share with you 3 tips for a successful outcome in your lawsuit. First tip, get to a qualified doctor who can properly diagnose all of your injuries and treat you for those injuries. That should be your first priority. Get medical care, good qualified medical care, preferably from a board-certified specialist who can identify all of the injuries you suffered in your car wreck and treat you for those injuries. And the second tip is find an attorney who actually has a lot of experience in handling car wreck cases. Now, so much goes into preparing a car wreck cases. Accident reconstruction, for instance, there are experts who can determine the speed of both vehicles, the angle of the collision, who had the right-of-way. There are any number of things that an expert accident reconstructionist can do to help me as a trial lawyer prove that the other guy was at fault and is responsible for your injuries. So go out and find a lawyer who actually has experience in handling car wreck accidents. Now, the third tip, find a lawyer who has experience in trying lawsuits. Now, I don't mean to suggest that you're necessarily going to have to go to trial in your car wreck case. The overwhelming majority of cases settle out of court, but your chances of settling out of court are much better if the other side, if the insurance company knows that your lawyer is capable of trying a lawsuit, is not afraid to try your lawsuit, and will probably do a good job of trying your lawsuit. And for that reason, I always recommend that people find a board-certified trial specialist. Now, I'll give you an example. I'm board certified by the Texas Board of Legal Specialization in both personal injury and civil trial law. Now, that's a distinction that less than 0.5% of Texas attorneys can brag about. To get board certified, you have to prove to the board that you have actual trial experience, you have recommendations from your fellow attorneys, you have recommendations from judges before whom you've tried your cases. You also have to take a pretty rigorous test to prove that you have the knowledge necessary to try a lawsuit for a personal injury victim. If you or a loved one has been in a serious car wreck, give my office a call to learn what your options might be. I can't undo what's happened to you, but you may be entitled to compensation. Give me a call today for a free and confidential chat about your options.